Hello guys, you're watching Sid Vlogs and today we are talk about the line cable. It's not working. You just go to the settings and a network and here you just check your view PlayStation network services. Sometime your server is down, it's not working on your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation network, and then you just select your region where you want to check this one. PlayStation network services is working well and a good account management, gaming and a social, everything is working. So you just get back to your network settings and go to set up new connection. Here's a network found. You set up a LAN cable and then go to the advanced setting, primary DNS, secondary DNS. You just change it to primary and a secondary. Here your network found. The setup the wired LAN cable. You just connect your LAN cable from your router to your PlayStation 5. It will be work, and I hope so you found my video helpful for you.